Hello friends, welcome to Child's Minds. We are inspiring this video to not make you bored because of this coronavirus lockdown. You can do activities such as drawing, painting, dancing and working on electronics. So, today we will show you how to work with a breadboard and what is a breadboard.
So today we are going to work with breadboard. So this is the breadboard, this thing. It has got holes, it has got columns and it has got rows. So Mridang, can you explain what the breadboard actually is?
First thing first, from where the name originated. The name originated from the normal slab of wood. Earlier people used to take nails and fix them in the breadboards, put wiring and made circuits out of them. But in today technology, we have plastic. We have metal clips. So we attached five metal clips in columns of 5. So that's from where this breadboard came from.
Okay, so you want to tell me that initially what people used to do, they used to take one block of wood. It's a wooden block.
Pen.
Okay, great.
It's not working.
So people used to take one wooden block. Why wooden? Because wood do not conduct electricity. So they used to take one wooden block. They used to put nails or hammer nails on it. So these are the nails.
Yep, yes.
Now what they used to do, they used to make same kind of structure like the breadboard has. It has got columns and it has got rows. Like our breadboard has columns from A to J and rows from 1 to 30. And it has got different bus line, or we can say rail for power supply, like this is the positive and this is the negative.
But ABCD will never be connected to FGHIJ or any of the numbers which are in the columns.
Okay, great. So that means in our breadboard we have got one power supply rail. We have got one separate breadboard or interconnecting wires from A to E. And this is the separation line. From F to J all are connected, and from A to E in the same way are all connected, but A to E are not connected with F to I. J, correct. So what other thing we need to work on breadboard? Mridang, can you tell?
Jumper wires.
Okay, these are the jumper wires. Why they are called jumper wires? Because jumper word originated from jump. What we do, we create a circuit and we use the jumper wire to connect 2 or more than 2 different components like this. Suppose I am connecting from negative rail to any of the column or row like this.
But that means none of the columns above or down 3 are not
connected.
Not connected.
Okay,
with
that means you want to tell that 3 column is connected.
Yes.
Correct. So entire 3 column is connected right now with negative supply. Okay, what other part do we need?
We need
Okay, let me tell.
power supply.
For any electronic circuit or any circuit in this world, you can take your own example. We need a power source. What is the power source of yours?
It's an power supply.
No. What I asked you, what is the power source of your body?
Power source of my body, there are 5.
Okay.
But practically 4.
Okay.
Food, water, air, shelter.
Okay, great. So in the same way, this circuit needs a power supply or power source. So we can use either 9-volt battery. This is 9-volt compact battery. This is a
3
battery
volt
of
full.
tap 3.7 volt. Okay. Or we can use our own power supply. Our power supply has the capacity
Of
to deliver voltage from 0 volt to 14.15
15.
volts. Okay, right. What else do we need? So first thing we required was breadboard, BREAD,
BOA.
and board, BOARD. Second thing which we require are jumper wire, JUMPER, jumper, and wires, WIRES. What is the third thing which we require? We require power source. We require power source. And what is the fourth thing we require? We need a load, or we need something which we exactly want to perform or run, like
motor,
LED. So we have few LEDs with us. Let's take one of them. This is the LED. Okay. And where's the motor, Mirang?
Oh, motor is in my container.
Okay. Give me one motor. Okay, let's start.
This is one motor.
Great. Keep it here. Now let's start. First, we need
With a
to
fan.
power on a soldering iron. Okay.
Oh wait, this is the sniper of the battery.
Oh, great.
And this motor I think is bad.
Okay. So let's start this experiment by using the breadboard. Now, can you tell me, Mirang, why are we using breadboard? Why are not we using this PCB, printed circuit board?
Because this needs solving.
Okay. And soldering is something which requires or which employ heat. It can be dangerous for kids. After a little practice, yes, they can be used of it, Now let's first understand how this circuit will work. Okay, give me the pen.
Oh, pen.
Okay,
Oh,
here
dear.
I have. Now, first understand, we have got one battery. This is our battery. Okay, so let's draw this battery. Okay.
Just can we do it with the hands?
Okay. I'm just taking help of the battery itself, like this. And on one side, it's like small kind of connecting thing, and it's a little bit
Pentagon.
big. Okay.
Small.
And it is like this, with few teeths. Okay, this is positive and this is negative. Okay, so it's a it's a 9-volt battery. Okay, now let's connect this battery, 9-volt battery, with sniper. Where is the sniper?
Oh, the sniper is here.
Okay, let's connect it. The way you should connect it, it's like this. Snap it. Okay, Now it's connected. We have got two wires. One is negative and one is positive. Now let's connect this negative and positive to our breadboard.
But first, we will have to check out the jumper wire.
Correct. Take out the jumper wire.
Can I
Connect
build
this.
the circuits?
Yeah, sure.
So we will connect the positive to positive. Not that much secure, but secure. And negative to negative.
Great.
That's okay.
Now let's take out the LED. Can you LED? Madam, do you know what this thing is?
Yes, it's an diode, in fact, but it's an light emitting diode, which
Okay.
emits light.
Great. So now let's connect it. Do you know which is the positive terminal of this LED?
This is the positive terminal and this is negative.
No. What this? This means the longer one or
Yes,
shorter
the
one?
longer is positive.
The longer is positive. Let's connect this positive and
But here is not where we have to connect our LED. It will still glow, but sometimes the LED can, I don't know, blow up or do something wrong. This is positive.
you have joined a jumper wire or connecting wire. You have taken one jumper from positive terminal to the column. Which
15.
column? 15. Let's see.
I'm actually taking these
Okay.
because they are connected together.
Okay, great. So you are taking positive and negative separately, and you are connecting positive to which column? Positive to 15 and negative to 13. Okay, great. What next? If you will put this positive terminal to positive terminal, will it glow?
Yep.
Oh yes,
Oh,
it's
wait.
glowing. Great.
What?
Oh, it has disconnected. Yes. So it's working.
It's glowing.
You can see it's working. Okay, keep it down. It's working. So let's see how we made the circuit. Let's see. So in simple terms, we have used one battery along with a sniper. So suppose this is our sniper. Okay. This is our sniper. Okay. This is positive and this is negative. Okay. This part is positive and this part is negative.
Yep.
And what you are doing, you are connecting one jumper wire, and you are taking the jumper wire over here, and you are taking this negative, you are connecting this negative terminal with the jumper wire, and you are taking this jumper wire again here. Okay, you are taking jumper wire here. This is negative and this is positive. Negative you have connected on 13 and positive you have, negative you have connected on 13 and positive you have connected on 15. Okay, now what you are doing, you are again connecting 13 and 15 with an LED. What is the sign of LED, or what is this, how LED looks like? We draw it. This is the positive. Okay, you show how we have connected.
Like this is the LED. So we connected the positive and making it thicker,
Okay,
and the negative thin.
thinner. Okay, so that's how this circuit will work. So in next video we will teach you different simple circuits by which you can understand how exactly a circuit works.
But the motor circuit?
Yes, we can try this circuit using a motor, but right now we will have to use soldering iron, so we will do it in our next video. Keep watching.
Or not? We will just connect the jumper wire here and here. but we will have to hold it from here. So
Yes, it can work. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. Or straight away we can ignore this and we can straight away connect with same will be the instance. We are connecting the sniper to the battery source.
and remember, a motor has no tolerance. Sorry,
Polarity.
polarity.
Yes. Now let's connect it. I think it's not working.
First,
No. This battery is not so powerful. Let's connect it with power supply. Here I got the positive terminal of the power
the
supply.
sniper,
Give me the.
it's 9.1 volts.
Let's connect it to one end. And give me the another end. Negative one. This one.
Yes.
And I'm connecting it to the negative end. And let's see will it work or not. Yes. It's very hard to hold because one.
Again.
Madang, it's very hard to hold, huh? It's very hard to hold. Hold it tightly. Because it's imbalanced due to one broken fin.
Yep.
Okay. So thanks for watching. Keep sharing. Keep commenting. It will give us boost to create more videos, as well as in this time of need when the COVID is so widely spread, we can stick to our homes. Thank you. PCM Dehradun.